I'm very excited to be given this grant from Transgrid, and we'll be using it to hold a series of 3 workshops along the route of the high voltage power line that went from Potts Hill to Alexandria. This workshop will be showing you how to get the best out of your garden. The participants will be given take-home notes, and also will be given 3 plants which would be best suited to their garden, just depending on the amount of sun that you have, of course, and how big is your garden. As a small thank you for people that perhaps experienced inconvenience during this time, but also a way of telling everyone how wonderful native plants are and how wonderful they are at supporting and encouraging native birds. We just wanted to say thank you to Transgrid for offering this opportunity.